In each language, there are different rules and symbols and word order. That's why we learn grammar, the rules for languages, at school, so we can communicate with each other clearly. Although people can read letters, symbols, and numbers, computers can only read and understand numbers. So anything we want to tell to a computer, we need to use numbers to do so. Of course, most people don't know how to speak in numbers. Can you imagine saying hello using only numbers? Well, you can. Hello can be expressed in numbers using a language called binary. Just like hello in China is ni hao, and in French is salut. We can translate hello as a series of numbers that a computer can understand. Here's what hello looks like using binary code. The reason we speak to a computer using binary code is because the brain of the computer, called a microprocessor, only understands the numeral 1 or the numeral 0. Yes, it's true. Computers process information using different combinations of ones and zeros. Now, it is very, very hard to write everything in ones and zeros. That's why computer programmers have developed an easy way of translating the letters and characters on our keyboard into binary. They do this using a Unicode table. The Unicode table has a preset binary code for each character on the keyboard, which both the computer and programmer are aware of. Well, hopefully. Just like grammar for languages, there are also rules to translate anything we want to tell a computer. So we use a special tool called a compiler. We just have to write our instructions using a programming language and ask the compiler to translate it for the computer. A compiler understands both programming codes and computer language, so it can do this with no problems. Characters are extremely important in programming. You just need to make sure that you know how to use them in the right way. If you don't type in the code following the usual syntax, this can lead to bugs and errors. Eek! So characters are the foundation of coding, as they make up every piece of code. They are a medium between humans and computers and need translation on both sides. Different coding languages have different rules of using characters for instructions. We see characters displayed on screens, and in the code itself, as instructions and in variables.